In this video, I am going to show how to adjust the bike chain tension in Bajaj bikes. First, we have to remove this cover and see the location of the chain. In this video, you can see the chain is really very low and is almost touching the chain guard. You can hear rattling noise while riding the bike. It's an indication that you have to adjust the tension in the chain. These are the tools I am using. These tools comes with the toolbox provided with the bike. Here are the two nuts you have to loosen first. This one is a 27 mm nut, and on the other side there is a 22 mm nut. You have to slightly loosen them but should not remove them. I am going to use the tools that is provided in the toolbox to loosen them. You have to attach the handle to this toolbar. Usually the nuts will be a little bit stronger. You have to apply extra force to loosen them. I have already loosened them since I am using only one hand and holding the camera in the other. You have to loosen the other bolt also. It's on the right side. Yeah, that's it. Just loosening the bolt, the nut is enough. See, both the sides I have just loosened it enough so that the wheel can freely move. Now I am going to adjust the chain tension. For doing this, you have to use a 10 mm spanner and tighten this nut very little. Actually, you have to note how much you are doing it so that you can do it on the other side equally. And this is very important. You have to adjust the chain tension on both the nuts equally. Whatever you do on that side should be repeated exactly here. That's all. A very small adjustment is enough to adjust the tension. I will show a demo how much the chain moves for the bolt for the adjustment done here. I adjusted just 3 steps on both the sides. And this is more than enough. Just a little bit tapping on the wheels will do. Now here is the demo. I am holding the spanner on the nut and I am going to adjust it just halfway, and you can see the amount of rise in the chain. For just adjusting half around, the chain rises by some 2 or 3 mm. You can see it clearly. That's it, guys. Once the adjustment is over, you have to tighten both the nuts, and you have to tighten it securely. You have to do this chain adjustment only if you are hearing some rattling sound when you are riding the bike. The chain should always be loose and never should be run in tension. At the last, you can give a tap on the wheels and see whether it is running freely. The wheel should move very freely. That's it, guys. Very simple. Thanks for watching.